queue is all the way to the end. Wow, is it made in
Uzbekistan.
Uzbekistan? Wow.
It's brand.
This thing,
today c'est tout.
like, سرخوب.
بمالا.
چاینا افغانستان است. دوستان عزیز ما اینجا بریم در نزدیک لندن بریج هستیم. یک شو گرفته از ازبکستان مردانش نانا کلچر کل چیز هست. یک برات نشان میدم اولین استاپ. اینجا که هست اولین جایی که هست قروت مفروشه. قروت‌های ازبکی تازه. بازو برنج است کت روغن کلش از ازبکستان. کمپانی هاست باز میتونی که اشتراک کنی و بزنس کاربار. کتاب است، کالا است، نان هم است، قابلیس هر رقم نان است. کالا اینجا زیاد قیمت است، تقریبا 150 پوند است یک کالا. کمک شما. باز میوه خشک اونجا از ازبکستان زیاد کشمش میاد اروپا و یگان خسته و چیزا. و اون طرف که است یک دیگر نشان. یک قطار می‌بینید در استرا سیکلش که هست برای قابلیس که نان این طرف می‌بینید قطار بسیار دراز است. قابلیس که منتو بسیار نفر از زیادتر از جوان هست. چپ رقم کانسر سیستم است. اینجا او جوس و چای و چیزا میتونید بگیرید و استرا بوده که زیاد بیزیست منتو و آشک و آشیش. منتو آشک نیست که قابلیست. و طرف های دیگه هم بزنس های خورده است. جای زیاد کلان نیست مگر منطقه بسیار خوب است. نزدیک لندن بریج هستیم. Oh, this is the fashion area. As you can see, there's many clothes from different areas. You can see these clothes. These are all authentic traditional clothes. You got man, woman, and we're gonna ask them how much it is. Hi, how are you, brother? Oh, he's wearing it. What's the price of these things?
150.
Oh wow, is it cotton? How is it? What's this?
Only cotton, only cleanly product.
Wow, is it made in
Uzbekistan.
Uzbekistan? Wow.
It's brand, famous brand.
Oh, it's a famous brand. Okay. What does it mean? What does the colors mean? Does it have any meaning? The design?
Colors or Azukar Marena and everything cotton.
Okay.
And we are 20 years in the market.
Wow.
In the world, in USA we are famous, and in Europe we are famous.
So is it good for the winter or summer? These clothes?
Yes.
For summer, yeah. Okay, sure. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You can try it.
No, it's okay. Next time. Yeah. Guys, as you can see, there's a massive queue, and the queue is kind of long. The good thing is, the vibe is nice.
You stayed in the queue. I know.
Yeah. This queue is all the way to the end. It's gonna be a good 1 hour off. Let's try it, guys. Let's try this. Seriously. We're gonna get some drinks because it's super hot today. It's about 29 degrees. Let's get some mojito. I guess the queue starts from here.
very crowded. I wasn't really expecting this much, but I think they're giving the freebies of the kabuli palau. We're just gonna try this one. Yeah.
Number 27. 27.
We got this amazing, refreshing drink. It's so good. Guys, just look at the view, okay? We got London Bridge behind us. I got you a drink as well. My camera woman. Все más horas. Amo anguro eknes? Out.
Yeah, it's different. Let's see.
The guy said it's got alcohol inside. I was like, yeah. I'm joking. In your cultures, alalas dosazes, please.
It's all started in 2023. At that time, many Uzbek entrepreneurs were looking for ways to work with our group of companies and with our
Har beshikda to'g'ariz, har uyda boqiring. Sog' bo'linglar. Rahmat, sog' bo'linglar. Aytamiz, o'ynaymiz ham. Endi bitta qarasak bo'lsin, mana shu har doim ana shu katta shaharlarda, Londonda O'zbekiston bayrog'i yuqori hilpirab tursin.
Gets this color, gets this color. These types of black kishmish, by the size they differ each other. This called is giant because of the size. It goes from 4 centimeter to 5 centimeter each one.
Are they the same grapes? Are they the same grapes?
Same grape, but different size.
These are more like enhanced.
But different agricultural drinks.
Smells like a chewing gum.
We're trying to use this for palau.
This one.
Round of applause for the lady who is best winner. This is the leg. Uzbekistan has been shrinking purification project since 1960s.
بیشتر جوس که خوردم جوس هزی بود.
Yes.
انجیر از انجیر خوشی.
That's it. So next question. Who's the author? Who's the author? Who's the author of Answer? There you go. This is the man. This is the man. Please. We're gonna try again.
نمگیم میزنن.
Go for it, Diluvar. Go for it. No,
میگه قتلما
don't.
از کدام ولایت هست؟ از کدام ولایت ازبکستان؟ که البته ما هم نمیفهمم. فکر کنم افغانی است. قتلما میگن چی میگن؟ کم واقعا.
Next question, ladies and gents. Which river flows among the border between Uzbekistan and Afghanistan?
میگه
Which river?
That's it, Amudarya, that's it? Correct answer is Amudarya. What is karnai and when is typically used?
چی از کرنای میفهمین؟
Nature's.
نمیفهم شما؟
Banana.
And what is it?
کرنای؟
I'll take the answer, yes. I'll take the answer. Just job because this There you go. Wonderful. Here's the last winner, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause for our winners. And in Japan İftihar. Mazatıyla
Take this and you can have some drinks if you want.
Guys, because probably we're gonna go and we just skip the queue as well. Chase. So we are at the back of the food where it's made. It's exciting at now. سرخوب
بيملا
China ile Afganistan است.
شو معنى نزله؟
First wow. Look at this.
وعليكم السلام علي يا خمسة.
Just look at this, babe. تازگی در سرش است. Let me record it. Okay, really close.
Ended. So
It's finishing, yeah.
Yes.
Tomorrow, same thing again.
Yes, yes.
Wow. And it's every year this thing.
2 days it will.
Like, so next year, same thing, yeah?
Yes, inshallah.
Wow, that's amazing, man. And how is this? Is this like a company or is this a government? Who pays for people to work here?
Well, there is several this kind of
Oh, these.
part of them pays,
Oh, okay.
part of government.
Oh, there's the partners, okay.
Yes, yes.
Nice, nice, nice. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. It's a big operation, man. Easy, Ravi. This is the one that's ready to go. Let's just take it to make it. One second. Wow. Deze kofta. Check زغال كلام. It's a pretty big operation, man. It's like a whole.
تقریبا یک 20 نه شاید 10 دانه دیگه برنج بود و غیر زوم یک 10 سطل کلانه برنج وقت اخته کرده بود I don't know maybe 1000 گلاس برنج بگفتیم ما افغانا و آماده ازی بود که پختش کنه it was very big it's very nice یاد این چیزا برنامه سبان پلان دارن بگیرن و دیده میشه بسیار زیاد نفرات و بسیار قطار دور و دراز مردم که آماده خوردن ما بخواد گرفتیم خب حالا میخوریم که سعی کنیم چقدر مزدار است مزدی شده تو جای بیشتر میشه راستش بگوییم نه؟ و ای پارک وقتی دفعه اولی ما آمدیم بسیار منظره مخبوده یه طرفش بریج از این طرف بیلدینگ های کلان دو طرف دیگه شک بیلدینگ دیگه است very nice حالا بریم اینجا بریم بشینیم بخوریم بریم بشینیم
Well, with the inevitability of the oncoming rain, all things must come to an end. And this is our last number for today. And we could use a little bit of help with this.
Going strong was in the spring, then spring became the summer. Who'd have believed you'd come along now?